Dive into the heart of a tumultuous era with the book of Jeremiah, an ancient script where prophecy meets poetry amidst the backdrop of Jerusalem's fall. Within the first gripping moments, we encounter Jeremiah, a prophet who, from a young age, is destined to challenge the fate of a nation. Tasked with conveying divine warnings, he stands against the tide, urging a return to righteousness as political and spiritual chaos engulfs the kingdom of Judah. Through his eyes, experience the relentless struggle for truth in a time when messages of impending doom and hope intertwine. Join us on this journey through history, heartache, and the quest for redemption as Jeremiah reveals the deep complexities of faith, justice, and the power of a covenant that seeks to reshape the future. Embark on a powerful journey through time with the book of Jeremiah, an epic saga that not only chronicles the tumultuous period leading up to the fall of Jerusalem, but also delves deep into the human spirit, challenging the very essence of faith and redemption. Within the first captivating 15 seconds, we are introduced to Jeremiah not merely as a historical figure, but as a beacon of hope and despair intertwined, a prophet chosen by destiny to navigate the stormy seas of human folly and divine providence. As the narrative unfolds, Jeremiah emerges as the centerpiece in a dramatic tale of warning and wisdom against the backdrop of a nation teetering on the brink of destruction. Tasked with a divine mission, he is compelled to voice the unpopular truth, to stand solitary against the currents of his time. His message is one of urgency, a clarion call to repentance amidst the encroaching shadows of idolatry and moral decay that threaten to engulf the kingdom of Judah. Jeremiah's world is one of stark contrasts, where the whispers of hope clash with the thunder of judgment. Through his prophetic visions, we are transported to the heart of a society in turmoil, witnessing firsthand the unraveling of a covenant that once bound a people to their God. His is a voice that speaks of imminent doom, yet also whispers the possibility of renewal, a promise of a new covenant, not etched in stone, but inscribed upon the heart. The narrative is richly textured, weaving together threads of personal struggle with the broader tapestry of national destiny. Jeremiah, often dubbed the weeping prophet for his profound empathy, embodies the tension between divine will and human frailty. His journey is punctuated by moments of intense conflict and deep introspection as he grapples with the weight of his calling amidst widespread skepticism and persecution. Amidst the prophecy and poetry, the book of Jeremiah offers a glimpse into the soul of a prophet, a man who, despite facing rejection and hardship, remains unwavering in his commitment to convey God's message. His story is a testament to the enduring power of faith, a narrative that speaks not only to the events of the past, but also to the timeless human struggle for meaning and redemption. Through Jeremiah's eyes, we witness the unfolding drama of a nation's rise and fall, the cycles of judgment and restoration that define the human experience. His prophecies, while rooted in the specific context of Judah's plight, resonate with universal themes of justice, repentance, and the sovereignty of a God who, despite the fickleness of human hearts, remains steadfast in his commitment to his people. In the book of Jeremiah, we are invited to reflect on the complexity of faith, the challenges of prophetic leadership, and the unbreakable bond between a creator and his creation. It is a story that transcends time, offering insights and lessons that continue to illuminate the path of those who seek to understand the divine and navigate the moral landscapes of their own lives.